Hi everyone. Escape sequences are handy for embedding special characters code within a string. Sometimes though, the special treatment of backslashes for introducing escape can lead to a trouble, and it's surprisingly common for those who are new to Python. For instance, someone may try to open a file with a file name that looks like something this. So here they think this will open a file name test.txt which is in the folder new under C drive. But how Python looks this is completely different. Python look this as a C new line, then EW, then tab est.txt. Because if we see here /n and /t will be taken as new line and tab. So to avoid this, either you can use // test.txt. So this / will escape this slash, or you can use a raw string. So example, if you're using a raw string, you have to give r, then c:/new/test.txt. What this r will do, it tells Python this is a raw string and you don't need to escape or treat backslash as a special character. So when Python see this, it's just a text. For example, let's take the same. My path is equal to c:/new test.txt. If you want to print my path, it will show like this, but if you want to print this my path, it looks like this. So this is how Python looks that statement. Now for the same example, if we take this as a raw string and if we want to print this will be taken same. So let's check the length of both the strings that we're using with or without raw. So if we check the length of my path old, the length will be 13, but if we check the length of my path, it will be 15. So beside directory paths on Windows, raw strings are also commonly used for regular expression, text pattern matching, support with a RE model. Also note that Python scripts can usually use forward slashes in directory path on Windows and Unix because Python tries to interpret path. So in Python, instead of using test.txt, you can also use test.txt. So this will solve your backslash problem. Despite its role, even a raw string cannot end in a single backslash because the backslash escape the following code character. You still must escape the surrounding code character to embed it in the string. That is, if you want to close a string with a backslash, for example, test, this will give an error. So here, for example, here if you give a backslash and you wanted to give, this will give a syntax error. Yeah, so you cannot end a raw string with a backslash. So this string you have to give like this. So this means a raw string cannot be end with an odd number of backslashes. If you need to end a raw string with a single backslash, you can use 2 or slice of the second. Triple quotes. So Python has a triple quote string literal format, sometimes called a block string. This is a syntactic convenience for coding multiple lines text data. This form begins with a 3 quotes, either single or double quotes, and is following by the number of lines text, and is closed with the same triple quote sequence that opens it. So for example, this quote. So if you print mantra, it will be print like this, or you can directly check. So in the interpreter it will automatically add, or it will show the new line character. So Python collects all the triple quote text into a single multi-line string with embedded new line character at the place where your code has a line break. So triple quote string will retain all the enclosed text, including any of the right of your code that you might intend as comment. So triple quote string are useful anytime you need to multi-line text in your program. For example, to embed multi-line error message or HTML, XML or JSON code in your Python source code file. Triple quote strings are also commonly used for documentation string or the doc string. So that's all for this video. We will meet in next video. Till then, thanks for watching and stay tuned.